Hey guys, welcome to Mr. King Gamer Coder channel guys and Arthur. So guys, in this video we are gonna create an app called Talk to Me app in MIT App Inventor guys. So guys, we are gonna start guys. Hey. Hi Godzilla Earth. No, I know how to make Talk to Me app, Shayan. Okay. Yeah, even I also know. Oh, even you also came, Balu. So guys, I'll show my screen now, my laptop screen. So guys, I will show the next. Yeah guys. Hey, this is my PC. Means this is my laptop. Okay guys, you have to go to the Google Chrome and go to MIT App Inventor guys. So guys, these are. Yeah, now the project is loading. I'll create start new project as Talk to Me guys. See guys, talk to me guys. Now I'll click on OK guys. See guys, our new project has Talk to Me. So guys, now what you are gonna do is, guys, you can see text box over here guys. A text box over here. Yeah, you have to drag and drop the text box over here. Yeah, and I will keep the text box fill parent and keep the width as fill parent. Go to width and keep it as fill parent. Okay. To keep it as fill parent only guys. So full will come like this only. Now we have to add one button guys. Did you see? And you can change the button name also guys over here. Here you can change the button name. I'll keep it as Talk to Me guys. So I kept it as Talk to Me guys. So I'm entering. So I kept the text as Talk to Me guys. Did you see guys? Talk to Me. Okay guys. Now I'm gonna add a last component called text to speech guys. It will be in social guys. No guys, I don't know where it is. Yeah. Where we can find a little. If you don't know means go to search. Yeah, search components. Keep it as no. Keep it as text to speech. If you want text to speech, keep it as text to speech. Yeah. Godzilla Earth, I need text to speech. Newly. This Talk to Me I kept and text to speech and go to blocks here. So our coding session came guys. Yeah guys, now I know what to do. Like when button one click. Okay. And what have to do next? I don't know. I know. Go to text for speech guys. Keep call text to speak message guys. Means when you click on the message, not we write guys. Keep the text. But guys, I have to add another block. But if it shake means it will speak another message guys. So we need go to sensors and add a new sensor called accelerometer sensor guys. Now go to blocks guys. And button one click guys. Now speak messages, go to text box guys. And you'll see text box one dot background guys. But for shortcut I kept like that guys. Keep it as textbox one dot text here. As what meaning of that? This no. When button one click, the voice will get speaked in what we type in text box one dot text guys. Not only that's all guys. Go to accelerometer sensor guys. Now keep it as when accelerometer sensor gets shaking. Go to text to speech guys. Keep it as speak message. as text box. Guys, keep it as text box 1.text, guys. Not text box 1, guys. You not text box, right, guys? You can give one message here. Means the message you can go to text, guys. The text you have to add here, guys. Now you can change the text here. Now we can keep the text as will don't shake me. Okay, guys, that's the best idea. Don't shake me, guys. Don't. But there I have to keep one symbol, guys. Yes, guys. Don't shake me. You see, guys? Don't shake me, guys. So our coding is also done, guys. So let's go to designer, guys. So guys, after I scan my code, guys, I'll show you how it works, guys. So guys, finally you can see my app, guys, how I created. So for example, I'll keep please make sure to my channel and don't miss to click on the bell icon, guys.
Please make sure you like and subscribe to my channel and don't miss to click on the bell icon.
Wow, guys, when I click on talk to me again.
Please make sure you like and subscribe to my channel and don't miss to click on the bell icon.
So guys, and finally I done. When I shake means see, guys.
Don't shake me. Don't shake me.
Did you see, guys?
Don't shake me.
Did you see, guys? It's telling don't shake me, don't shake me. Means the accelerometer senses power here, that is. Yeah. It's by Shriyan, guys. Okay, guys, I'll
Please
keep
make sure you like and subscribe to my channel and don't miss to click on the bell icon. It's by Shriyan.
Yes, guys, that's my name. Okay, Godzilla, did you also like this video, guys? Yeah, I enjoyed, Shriyan. It's very nice video. So guys, please make sure you like and subscribe to my channel and don't miss to click on the bell icon to receive all my notifications. Yeah, guys, and to receive all my notifications, you please make sure you like and subscribe to my channel. Yeah, what's done on that you can receive all my notifications and so much such of channels. So bye, guys. Thank you for watching. So bye, guys.